Hi, my name's Maddie. I'm the Customer Experience Manager at RateMyAgent. The win I've chosen to speak about today is how I was able to use conversation intelligence to proactively find gaps in our customer support help documentation. We had a new feature released and we had people calling us and asking questions. We had help documentation already written, but we were still finding different bits of questions, and we wanted to know how we could update that without going through all of the conversations that we'd had with customers. So I looked at the CloudTalk analytics for the conversation intelligence for all of our team members that work in support. I looked at the sentiment too. So not just the questions that the customers were asking, but questions that were quite neutral on sentiment or tended to be more negative. And I looked at each call. We have the summary there, and we could also see the key questions that were asked in the notes. I could quickly glance at the summary of the call, but more so even just the questions that were asked, which was really easy for me to do and really quick. And I was able to pull the number of times that someone had asked a specific topic or it had come up in that conversation. So there were two main things that I did. And the first one was adding to our help center. And the other was speaking to our internal marketing team about the messaging in the emails that were going out regarding that feature at the time. And then over the next 3 weeks, I was able to, at the end of that period, compare the analytics, and we were able to find that we reduced the number of calls with those topics in them with our support team by 66%. And in our chats and emails in our help desk, we also reduced the amount of conversations regarding those topics by 25%. Overall, it was a really effective and really successful way to find those key issues early on and take that opportunity to improve the customer experience using the information we were able to find directly from the calls.